Okay, so if you missed today's lesson, then the goal today was I can divide unit fractions by whole numbers and whole numbers by unit fractions. Okay, so take a moment and pause if you need to write it down in your notebook with the date. Okay, now here are the steps. The first thing we want to do is get everything in fractional form. It means that everything has to be a numerator over denominator, and that means that there is no whole numbers allowed. If we have a whole number like 7, we have to change it to 7 over 1. If we have a mixed number like 7 and a third, we have to change that into an improper fraction. Okay. If you don't need to go there, you already have just fractional form, just numerator over denominator. You don't even need to do this. Okay. Okay, step 2. Step 2 is to change the second number to the reciprocal, which now you know how to do because I just made a video on that first. So if you don't know how to do that, you may need to go back and watch that one before this one. Okay, and then the third and last step is multiply, which is really strange because, wait a minute, the goal says we're dividing, but the last thing to do is multiply. Okay, and then simplify, of course, if you need to. So let's look at 3/4 divided by 1/7. Okay, everything is in fractional form already, just numerator over denominator. There's no whole numbers to fix, so I can skip step 1. Okay, now I want to change the second number to the reciprocal. I am going to keep it in fractional form. So the second number's reciprocal is 7 over 1. I'm not going to simplify it. I want it in fractional form. Okay, step 3 is multiply. So I'm actually going to do 3/4 times 7 over 1. And then I just multiply like normal. So I got 21 over 4. Then when I get my answer, I do want to put my answer into the simplest form. Okay, so I keep everything in fractional form. When I get to the end, I will put it into simplest form. So I would figure out what that was as a mixed number. Okay. Okay, let's figure it out. So I'm doing 4 times 5, and that's 20 plus 1/4. Okay, I can actually cancel those out. I didn't even teach you that style, but that's one style. 5 and 1/4 is my answer.